We're filming.
Oh my god.
Oh
we're filming.
my love. Okay.
You're the worst.
Hello!
Can't take you anywhere.
Hi, YouTube!
Hi guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am joined by two very special guests. Please move slower. Paul and Ashley.
Hello, YouTube.
For those of you who... Oh my god, it's gonna take a million years.
What's going on, Kelly?
What are we doing today? Where have you been for the past month?
Okay, yeah, so... But I've been busy because these guys are in town all the way from the East Coast.
In our great nation's capital.
Yes, and so I've been busy enjoying time with them. But I thought since they're here, why not utilize their lovely faces?
And what a lovely face
and
it
what are we gonna
is.
do?
I don't know if this is a thing, but we're gonna do it.
We're making it a thing.
Basically, for...
Ultimate fartboard, yeah. Ultimate fartboard challenge.
Basically, for those of you who don't know, there's this ultimate fart soundboard challenge that has to do with this fart board that somebody made. It just gives you a little, a variety of different fart noises that you can play. One person is going to pick one of these farts to play.
We're not allowed
And
to look.
we're not allowed, you can't look because
Okay.
the names are really funny too.
Are you doing all of them, or are we
We'll trade.
Okay,
We'll
okay.
take turns.
making up as we go?
Yeah. I'm going to play one of these fart noises and these two have to not laugh. And we're gonna see, I mean, I think farts are hysterical.
I think I got this.
Okay, good.
Got my hand farts.
I'm ready.
Oh God.
We're just not laughing, right?
Yeah, you can't laugh. You can smile. I'll give you a smile. But
It's hard not to when you're with these two.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
The first fart.
Are we picking one randomly, or are you looking?
I'm looking. The person who's choosing can
Then we're
look.
never gonna find any of them funny.
Oh, I doubt that. This one is called Goose Gas.
Is that it?
Yep, I'm gonna play it again. Ready?
What goose?
Ready?
I wonder.
Because it sounds like
It's kind of like a goose, like a wah!
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Again,
I got it.
Goose Gas.
I'm laughing at you. I'm laughing at you.
That counts! So 1 point for Paul. I guess you're not supposed to get points.
Oh,
Alright, we're just gonna have fun.
This one is called Bean Dipper. Once again, the Bean Dipper.
It's you. You need to stop. You make me laugh. If you were not in this room, none of these would be funny to me.
She's a child.
Do it again. That's a like classic fart. It's just
Yeah.
like a solid.
I don't know what that is because ladies don't fart.
Mudslide.
I think that person shat themselves. I think I'm gonna win, just for the record.
I think you haven't laughed yet.
If you weren't here, I wouldn't laugh.
I know. This one is called Macaroni and Squeeze. Again. Macaroni and Squeeze.
It's the squeeze. We are such adults.
And this is our life.
You doing it, Farrah?
Good.
Okay,
This
yeah.
is not
God
funny
damn
to her.
it.
Kelly, she hasn't even yet.
This really speaks to me. This is the squat thrust. Once again, the squat thrust.
It's the names that are killing me. If you just played these sounds, I wouldn't find it funny. But
The names
names are what kill me.
Going down to.
It's like when you're working out doing the
Yeah,
squats.
There's a oops.
I wonder who's gonna not laugh at this one.
Oh my god.
Kazoo! Kazoo!
Oh, that's the name of the
Exclamation
fart.
point.
I thought you were just
No.
excited. That one's very musical.
That's why it's called the kazoo!
That one's okay.
I just
You
chose
were
the
full
name.
surprises.
This one is called Rip Roaring.
I didn't find that one funny.
Oh my god!
Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay.
I don't think these people are okay. Once again, like that is an explosion.
That sounds like that sounds.
Call your doctor
not like a fart.
immediately because that
One
is
more
not
time.
beautiful.
I don't know if you can call that a fart. I think that's just a shit.
This is dueling buttholes. Dueling buttholes.
It just keeps going. It's that like pause in between.
I wonder, is this
Two buttholes?
Yeah, are they two? Like this is one.
Response?
Two. It's call and response.
Wet and wimpy.
No, it's the beginning has like vibrato. Sphincter stinker.
I smell it.
It wasn't funny because it was too real.
I'm very
She's
intrigued
waiting.
and excited to see what we're about to have in store when I read you this title.
B.
The title is Would You Like Ketchup?
Why is it called that?
Would you like ketchup?
It does kind of sound like a question.
Guys, I have to cough. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh.
Thank God.
Prelude to a crap.
Mm-hmm.
It sounds like a,
That was just the prelude?
I'm pretty sure that's just crap. That
Oh
was-
my God.
Were these actual people? Like, was this
Yeah.
recorded in real life?
Donut cream filler.
Donuts
What?
are so good.
That's-
Donuts are so good.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Again?
One more time.
All right.
Should this be our last round, y'all?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go out with a
Ooh, I like this one.
that.
I'm excited to say it. Goo goo doo doo.
What was the baby?
Wait.
Yo, 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 whoa.
When you're like trying to not fart, and then this is
Yeah,
what
and it's
happens.
just like,
From what
it-
people have told me.
Yeah, she wouldn't
About
know
the
from experience
experience,
at
'cause
all.
I like
little
it's kind of also like a hip hop. Like I feel, you know.
Playing it back to back, it's like we need to do.
Paw.
Ugh, there's so many that I want to try.
Well, you gotta pick one, okay?
Tuna melt madness.
This is why you don't.
Would you like a tuna melt? That's what it'll do to you.
Not after that. I think we're all too sensitive for this challenge. We're like concerned for the
I know.
people.
Like,
I hope they're
why'd you
all
eat
right.
the tuna melt? Why'd you do that? This was gonna happen to you.
Oh my God. If
They
that
definitely like pooped a little bit at the end.
If that came out of my body,
Last one.
let's go out with a bang.
Bang!
Clucking chicken. It makes sense.
I get it now.
I get it now.
It's like when you like are in a leather chair and you
It
like
sounds-
adjust yourself a little bit.
Yeah, and you're
it's-
like-
and everybody thinks you farted, but you didn't really.
Yeah.
I think that is actually C flat.
Let's find out. Give us a C flat.
C
There's a
flat.
piano
C
over there,
flat
guys.
Is B, right? Yeah.
Lies!
Music major's on the case. Thanks. That was fun.
Who's the
Yeah.
winner?
I think Allie. I know. She just wanted. Goo goo doo doo. You need to do an interpretive dance to goo goo doo doo. Was that the one that had the good beat?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Last one. Thanks for being here, guys. I'm so happy. If you guys want to subscribe to this channel, please do
You should.
so.
Subscribe to this
Do
thing.
it.
But you won't get these guys because they have to go home. They'll be back, I'm sure.
Nope, never.
Someday. Maybe. This might be the end of our friendship.
Probably.
Please support me because after today I'll have no friends.
She won't. So go like, subscribe, and comment below.
Do it! Thank you! Oh. Excuse me. That's enough. I have to wipe off my face. Bye!
But I hear sounds in my mind. Brand new sounds.